What's up guys, I'm back to another video. I know I didn't post in a long time, but today we are doing the new police update. As we can see, we already see new features to the police bikes here in Brookhaven. Let me go see the police cars. Okay, that's new. Whoa. I might say this is better red. How does it look in white? How does it look in white? Blue. I don't think you can do it in white, but then I messed my car up, guys. I wonder how the normal police car looks like. This is the normal police car. This stands 911. How does the sheriff look? Mansion County Sheriff. Brookhaven Highway Patrol. They finally added Highway Patrol. Oh my word. The Brookhaven Red Teddy Popo. There's just normal police again. It's actually nice. Bloody nice. Oh my word. Let's try this Lambo. That's how the Lambo looks. That's how the other Lambo looks. Now let's slide the bike. It's the police PP. Yeah. So that's the last plate. Here's the police motorbike. They both are bikes. Play nice, play nice. So I wanted to tell you guys that I'm just doing a quick video today of the update. I'm going to show you guys the police station. We got a new police logo. We have donuts here, my favorite. Wait, let me just eat one of those. There's the Brookhaven Fire. And here is the officer. We know he wasn't there. He wasn't here when I was in the military. Okay, so that's fixed. The third floor elevator making room department. The same SWAT cells in holding yard. Well, here's the new police logo. If you wanted, oh my word. Wow, I did not expect so much changes. It's like the police is now like, what the hell? LAFD, BHBD. Wait, is this? We have new tools, everybody. This is with the lion shield. Oh my word, this is actually crazy. Then we have still the cameras to all the places, the new SWAT uniforms, the guns. Well, that's the SWAT. Here we can open and close this door as well. You know what? I'm going to put the police clothes on. Hey, PG Appalapalapad. Let's see that they no changes outside here as much. Yeah, nothing really outside here. Here's a meeting room. Keep control, be nice. We don't care about the loot. This is the jail cells. Oh. This is new. Wow. Wow. It's just the texture of all. Let's go check the upstairs. Go in the upstairs. Whoa. You see my what? Here's the police chief's desk. Obviously, me. The map. That it is the apartment. This is where all the calls get stuck. Okay, if we go up here. Oh, what now does a helicopter loop? Look. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. The police helicopter. They updated the police helicopter. Oh my word. No. But just look at the police station. How much it changed. Oh my word. It's crazy how much it changed. Sorry. Kan nie legtig Engels praat nie. Ek moet die les van hierdie bloody Afrikaans praat. Kan nie met Engels nie. Wel, ek dink dit's alles vir die polisie update. Ja. O ja, hierso. Jy kan mense hierso inlaat. Dan kan jy daar toe maak. Dat niemand kan klei nie. Dan kon jy 'n SIM-kaart om in te kom. Ja, wel, dis best alles. Wag, wat een gedaan? Nee, my maat, wag. Het jy die swatlag geupdate? Jy sê ek wonder nou, as hulle die swatlag geglyd het. Nee, hulle het nie. So, daar is gewees het, maar nee. Nee, het is te veel effort vir hulle. Hulle het gesê, die ons het al klein polisie goed doen, los ons uit. Hy wil nie met die swat begin nie. Jy sien wat die al geheer. Gaan julle 'n skip hou? Jy weet hoe 'n skip hou? Wat gaan julle bloody Los Angeles toe? Hier is Brookhaven, nie London City nie. Op bote maak na ander kant lees. Wel ja. Ek dink nie daar's nuwe huise nie, wag nou vir gaan kyk. Ek wonder as hierdie mense nou die bloody is daar 'n nuwe factory? Jy sien my maat, imagine as daar 'n nuwe factory is. En dit's 'n police factory. O, jy sien, nee man, Foodtech. Imagine hulle change die pleasant. Imagine hulle vat die bloody tolonk en maak het bloody hallelujah. Look. Okay, is die papa papa. Goed kyk. Nee, het is nog steeds stupid. Stupid hoor. Okay, kom eens gaan vragen hier zo. Popo. Kita Papa Loco. Wanneer hulle die actually gechange? Oh yes. Hulle die gechange. Okay, kom eens. Ek dink jy weet al hoe dit lyk, maar ek weet nie of hulle al goeders laag. Ja, hulle het goeders laag gemaak. Yep, hier is die Gaddaly. Oh, wat jou soek jy, ek ben jou? Wat jou soek jy? Jy is nie 'n bloody polisie nie, jy is korter dan my. My maat, jy is kort. Jy is 'n shorty malorty 140 voetsek. Ja, goodbye. Sal jy dit klok sit? Ek sê jy 'n polisie is. Faker. Die blad weer. Imagine dan kom 'n nuwe blad weer uit. Hier sien my maat. Yes. Daar's die solitary confinement. Hier is die plek waar ek dit sit daar vir jou. Ja, hier het hulle ook toe my broer. Ja. Garage time. Daar's aan in department. Service of respect. Well, dink dit is al vir die update. Oh bloody. Oei bloody, no wonder hy het ingekom. My hek was oop. Ja, bye, adios. Guys, this is gonna... Jullie gaan nou die lab vir my die video doen wat ek in jare amper gedoen het. Eerste video en baie lank. Ek is glad vir ek het nou examens geskryf, so kan nie meer so baie video's maak nie, maar ek gaan nou baie meer video's nou maak, want examens is klaar. As jy weet julle. Maar adios amigos. Bye. Okay. Bye.